Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, My Moon. If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, anxious, worried, depressed, fearful, angry, perhaps even joyful, reminding you that you're not on an island, alone in those feelings, that so many people around the world can relate. We're gonna take some deep breaths together and see if we can let go of the anxieties, the inner critic, and come back to trust, come back to love in the unfolding of life. Getting into a comfortable position where you can be aware of your posture. Aware of your space and surroundings. Taking in your space without any judgment, just noticing the little details of your surroundings. You can close the eyes, getting into a nice seated position, spine upright, aware of your posture, aware of sound. Becoming aware of your breath. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Taking a breath in. And a breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy. Whole body breathing in. Whole body breathing out. Visualizing your whole body, every cell, taking a breath in. Holding at the top. And exhale. Letting go of past, letting go of future. if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Relaxing your belly, relaxing the face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Closing your eyes as you look in. Breathing with me. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in slowly and softly. Holding the breath at the top. Exhale. And just be empty. Neither inhaling nor exhaling. Just being. With closed eyes, looking in, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Exhaling all the leftover air in your lungs. And taking a deep breath in. Hold. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Becoming aware of your posture. Becoming aware of your heartbeat. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive, that you've lived to see another day, but it won't always be that way. So cherishing today as a gift, despite the suffering, the pain, the anxieties that never let up, the incessant worry, the overwhelming uncertainty, the anger, the boredom, all these unpleasant aspects of being human. Being able to embrace them today as a gift. Opening your heart, feeling your heart open and warm. Letting go of thoughts. Becoming aware of this present moment, feeling rooted in your body, feeling connected to your spirit, to your consciousness. As you take a deep breath in, and exhale. Softening your mind, softening the heart, softening your belly, softening the face, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your hands and your feet, feeling yourself relaxed in a positive, loving energy starting to flow into your body, melting away tensions, melting away fears, remembering how strong you are as you take a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. The color for today is red. The number is 3. And the animal is a hawk. If you got a special goal in your heart that you've been trying to achieve, keep holding that vision. Have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. Remember this simple affirmation: you can do it. Instead of telling yourself these negative things all day about your self-worth and what you're good at and what you're not good at, have faith in yourself today. You can do it. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of strength on your path. Strength to overcome the resistance, the inner critic that is always coming down with such negative thoughts about who we are and what we're capable of. Letting go of those thoughts, coming back into the present moment with trust and faith in yourself, faith in the unfolding of life. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.